Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 宣布 announce 宣布 announce 公司宣布新計劃，大家都嚇親。The company announced the new plan and everyone was shocked. 公司宣布新計劃，大家都嚇親。開會 hold a meeting 開會 hold a meeting 老細開緊會 The boss is holding a meeting 老細開緊會通過 approve 通過 approve 我哋都同意通過主席要嘅嘢 We all agreed to approve what the chairman was asking for 我哋都同意通過主席要嘅嘢批評 criticize 批評 criticize 可以批評 OK to criticize 可以批評提出 put forward 提出 put forward 佢對於呢一點提出反對 He put forward his objections on this point 佢對於呢一點提出反對支持 support 支持 support 請捐款支持全球有麵包活動 Please support the campaign Bread for the World with a donation 請捐款支持全球有麵包活動信 believe 信 believe 我信你 I believe you 我信你研究 research 研究 research 做研究 do the research 做研究要求 request 要求 request 我哋唔會回應無理要求 We don't respond to unreasonable request 我哋唔會回應無理要求 談判 negotiate 談判談判 negotiate 交易談判 negotiate a deal 交易談判 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say announce? 宣佈宣佈 And how to say hold a meeting? 開會開會 What about approve? 通過通過 Do you remember how to say criticize? 批評批評 Let's try put forward. 提出提出 What about support? 支持支持 Now, let's see if you remember how to say believe. 信信 Another one. What about research? 研究研究 Do you remember how to say request? 要求要求 And finally, do you remember how to say negotiate? 談判談判 Well done! See you next time! 再見